Okay, we're going to test for respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV. We're looking for the viral antigen. So if the patient has the disease, the virus will be present and we'll actually find the antigen. Since we're looking for antigen, we have an antibody in our test cartridge. We're going to collect a nasopharyngeal swab and we're going to put it into either sterile saline or transport media. And the transport media is what's going to come down. If the specimen is particularly mucoid or bloody or thick, we're going to add 250 microliters of the sample and some extraction media in order to thin it out so that the test will run correctly. This is very similar to all of the test cartridges we've been doing so far. We're going to label it with our patient name. Included in the kit is a pipette, and this is 150 microliters to this first little ridge here. So all we're going to do, we're going to mix our specimen up a little bit. We're going to take 150 microliters of specimen and put it into the test well. And we're going to wait 15 minutes. As with all of our other specimens, you can see that it's going to migrate across here. We're going to be looking for a control line at the C mark, and the S stands for sample. So if there is a line at the sample line, it's going to be positive, and if there's not, it's going to be negative. Now I have some controls that I already did that we'll take a look at. This is my negative control. My control line is here. Remember, if the control line is not present, the test is not valid no matter what the patient. And this is my positive control. My control line's nice and dark, but as you can see, that test line is very weak. So any line at the sample site means it's positive, so we would call this one positive.